If you're thinking about having a hip replacement, you've probably done lots of homework. What's the best type of hip replacement? Who's the best surgeon? And what's the best type of operation to have? Anterior, posterior, ceramic, metal. So many questions, it's often hard to decide what's best. There are hundreds of websites and YouTube channels out there that will tell you all about the different options. Some surgeons will tell you that they always use this or that type of surgery because it's better than anything else. Well, I don't know about that. All I know is that most of us just want to do what's best for our patients all the time. Now, I've been a hip surgeon for over 20 years. I've seen quite a few different techniques come and go. Some have been very successful, others, well, let's not go there. One of the biggest changes I've seen is that we get patients up and about after surgery much more quickly. When I first started, we keep our patients in hospital for a week or longer. Now, it's mostly only for about 3 days or so. Some hospitals say that they do day case hip surgery. This means that you come into hospital first thing in the morning and then you're discharged later that day. This seems incredible, but I'm sure that some hospitals do it very well. I have to say I'm a bit wary of it though. I'll tell you why. One of the things I've noticed over the years is that people often underestimate how much surgery can affect them. Not just physically, like pain and tiredness. Just as important is the psychological impact of surgery. This hits people a couple of days afterwards, and it can often take them by surprise. On the first day after your operation, you feel euphoric because you've survived and starting to move around. But on day 2, it all seems to be a bit overwhelming. How will I cope at home? What happens if something goes wrong? Why do I wish I'd never had this operation? I'm constipated and I'm fed up. 2 of my patients had these feelings this week. I explained to them that it's quite normal and just part of the complex reactions that our bodies go through after a major event like surgery. It almost always goes away the next day, and then you'll feel ready to hit the road and go home. If I had to have a hip replacement, I wouldn't want to go home on the same day as the surgery. It's the last place I'd want to be. I would want to feel supported, looked after and soothed by a team of people who really understand what I'm going through. So if you're looking for day case hip surgery, then maybe you'd better look elsewhere. I'm not saying that we'll keep you in hospital for any longer than you need. There's no place like home, and it's always good to get back there as soon as you feel ready. But if you are my patient, there's no need to rush. Thanks for watching.